What's up, YouTube? Sean Manila, stay 58 on the Road to Code 100 Days of Code Challenge. So today was more reviewing of higher order functions is what I was focusing on today. And I must say I'm getting a lot better grasp on the high order function, which is things like filter, map, reduce, and sort, which are going to be very important things coming up in the front end development course with languages like Redux and whatever else is at the front end course, Free Code Camp. This time around, I think I'm gonna do like projects working with it, etc. first that I find on YouTube, and then take the courses, because I feel like I'm learning a lot more just watching YouTube and then going back on it. Or maybe because I am going back on it, that it makes a lot more sense. I mean, repetition's definitely is a lot more beneficial than just, crunching through a bunch of stuff, because things are making a lot more sense. Like, I went through the object orientation, the high order functions before, like looking at the definitions, like, okay, this is what it is, kind of get it. But then once I started working on projects and seeing the differences of the role that it plays in certain projects, like, okay, that made it a lot easier. Like in Free Code Camp, it explained arrow functions, but I'm like, okay, it's a shorter way to do functions, but it didn't really emphasize on the fact that, like, this is how most people write it nowadays, and it's like just really emphasized on it, like it's just a normal thing to do. And I wasn't really focused on the arrow functions before, just want to get the code to work, right? But yeah, and now looking into things like solid methodology, etc., it's a lot of more things are clicking, like object orientation, the classes, the instances, and everything like that. It's just all coming back in full circle, making a lot more sense. And yeah, I just don't feel as lost anymore. I can admit that. And arrow function, definitely getting a lot better grasp on that. Object orientation, I watched a video on that as well today. So it was like about 2 hours of videos, just studying, etc. Still don't really get the grasp on that as much as I'm getting the grasp on higher order functions. That stuck out to me more today. But again, it's just about that repetition, because you're a new you every time you listen or hear about something, you know what I mean? From all the context that you've been gathering before. And then once it hits you again, it's different, But that's my main takeaway for today. And as always, just like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out.